How to log in to Konami account. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can log in to your Konami account. For this, at first you have to open the website thekonami.com. There you have to select the users who registered the email address with another Konami app, then enter your email address or the Konami ID and password in order to log in. After you tap on the option of login, you will see the option of the two-step verification that will be requested after you log in there. Now, an email with a confirmation code will be sent to your registered email address, and here you have to enter the 6-digit verification code that is sent to you, and then you have to just accept it. Now, after that, you can see the eFootball Point program terms of use that will be displayed in it. You have to check the terms and condition and proceed by clicking. The terms of use may differ depending on the country or the region you selected when creating your Konami ID. An alert message will be displayed in the game confirming that you have finished the necessary procedures to start using your points. Now, once again, in order to start using the eFootball points only, you can log in by entering the Konami ID and a verification code will be sent to you. You have to just accept all of those and your Konami ID will be logged in and linked. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.